Alright guys, so we are heading into the review portion of the course, and so week 4 through 7, so the next 4 weeks, are going to be based off of the review and reviewing. So there's 2 parts to the week. Each week is going to be a half major. That is going to be this assignment here, our big APES review, and I'm going to go over that in a second. In our part 2 are practice questions directly from College Board. That's going to be on Canvas. So you have the Canvas review quiz. You'll have 4 chances to take it, and then you'll have this where you get to choose in options of what you want to review on. So here we go. Each week you're going to complete 2 credits. You can complete more than 2 credits. That's up to you on how you want to study. So I have different options. Option 1 is FRQ Based. This is where you're going to get 2 credits for it. Both parts must be completed by each person. So you will complete 4 released FRQs. You can look up APES FRQs or APES released FRQs online, and you should find plenty of them. And then part 2 is where you get with a buddy and you grade each other's. And how you grade each other's is if you'll do, like for example, you did 2000 question 1 from that year. What you would do is you would look up APES 2000 FRQ scoring guidelines, and that will give you what the scoring guidelines for that question was. And so you may earn 4 credits for this assignment by completing a total of 8 FRQs. So what that means is you can do 2 FRQs or 2 credits worth of FRQs this week and 2 credits of FRQs next week and not be overlapping at all. Because you're only supposed to do one option completely. You can't do that option over and over and over again for each week. Option 2 is for 1 credit, create a study card or folder that includes all the environmental laws. This can be handwritten or it can be digitally, just can't be word for word online if you do it digitally, and it can't be exactly like someone else's. Ideally, this would be all handwritten in class, but we're not in class. So option 3, unit study cards. You may earn 2 credits for completing a total of 40 cards for 2 separate units, 20 each unit. Option 3 is a math review. You can earn 3 credits. Actually, we're going to change that to that should be 3. If you do all of this, then you'll get extra bonus points because the math review on option 3, I'll go over that in a second. It's rather lengthy. It's all of this. So what we'll do is you'll get bonus points if you finish all the math review. There it is. Alright, so you'll get 3 credits. So with a bonus. Yay! Exclamation marks. List and comparison, option 4, you get 1 credit to complete the list and comparison worksheet. If you scroll down on this document, you'll find the list and comparison. Option 5, compare and contrast review, 1 credit for completing the comparisons worksheet. Again, if you scroll down, you'll find it. We'll go over it in a second. Option 6 is the Bozeman Ed Puzzles. This is new for me, so just kind of help me out if I did it wrong. So I've never done Bozeman Ed Puzzles, but it looks really fun. You may earn 3 credits by watching videos and completing associated questions for 3 units of study. So I'm going to change this. Take that out. Sorry, I'm editing as we do this. I've edited this thing way too many times. So you could scratch that. You're going to get 2 credits for each unit of study because it's quite lengthy. And I'm going to show y'all what that looks like. I'm going to go over that in a second. Here's your FRQ sheet, math review, the lengthy thing. Option 4 was the list review. It tells you each thing what you need. So this little box needs 5. This box needs 6 things. This needs 6. Option 5, compare and contrast. This is that option 5. Option 6, here you go, Ed Puzzle Review. So what it looks like is you will click on the link. Hopefully it works. Fingers crossed on everything, guys, because it worked on mine, but I don't know about yours. So each unit, let me go back. I accidentally clicked pause, my bad. So each unit has all these videos, and if you click on that unit, here's the first video, it pops up, it gives you this video that you watch and you answer questions that go with it. You'll need to log in, so log out. If you sign up, you can sign up with your Google account. It works really well that way. It's really simple. If you have troubles, just let me know. And scrolling. Still scrolling. Okay, and option 7 is 3 things to know. If you scroll down, you'll find the 3 things to know. Option 8 is the APES Alphabet Review Book. You get to create a review book like for kids to look at. So like A is for Apple, and you describe that. Except for you don't use Apple, you use something APES related. Option 9 is going to be a placemat review. Ideally, this would be hand-drawn, but I totally understand if it's not. You may earn 3 credits by completing 3 placemats, so remember you can mix and match each week. So each week you're going to submit, that's the word I'm looking for, APES exam review cover sheet, basically so I know what you did and keep track of it that way. It's easier for me to know what you did instead of just, hey, this is what I did, and telling me, because I forget things. So here is the sheet that you'll need to turn in, no matter if it's online, you already did it online or not. And if you have other attachments, just attach that onto Canvas as well. Again, this is rather new for me this year, this whole distance learning thing, but we will make it. I promise we'll be fine. So going back for weeks 4 through 7, you're going to be doing this AP review. Each week you are going to choose 2 credits worth of assignments. Just remember you have to choose, you'll be choosing 2 different credits the next week. So you can't be doing let's give an example. You can't be doing the law study card every week for 4 weeks. You can do it once. You can't do the list and comparison every single week. You can only do it once. So plan accordingly. If you want to do FRQs, you can do different FRQs. So just remember that there's plenty of FRQs out there, I promise. And this AP exam this year is purely FRQs. So I'm still getting details on that. Just bear with me on that, and I'll let you know what I find out. All right. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me, remind me, Canvas message, whatever works for you. Bye.